In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Splitwise Pro. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for. This is especially helpful if you're new to Splitwise, or you've only ever used the free version and now want some of the extra features Pro offers, like advanced reports and receipt scanning. First, open your browser and go to the Splitwise website. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your usual login details and wait for your dashboard to load. You should see your groups, balances, and any expenses you've already added. It's a good idea to quickly confirm you're in the right account, especially if you manage more than one email or profile. Once you're on the main Splitwise page, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile name or your email avatar there. Click on your profile name to open a small drop-down menu. This is where you can access your personal settings and account options. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Your Account. This will take you to your main account settings page. Here, you will typically see information related to your profile, notifications, and subscription status. Take a moment to let the page load completely so everything is visible. On the account settings page, look for the section that mentions Splitwise Pro. There should be a clear button that says Get Splitwise Pro. This is your upgrade button. Go ahead and click on Get Splitwise Pro to start the upgrade flow. After clicking, Splitwise will guide you through the purchase process, which usually includes choosing your plan, confirming your billing details, and reviewing the total cost. At this stage, make sure the payment information you enter is correct and that you understand whether you're choosing a monthly or yearly plan. If there are any regional prices or taxes, they should be shown on this screen. Once you've confirmed and submitted your payment, give it a few moments to process. When it's successful, your account should automatically be upgraded to Splitwise Pro, and you'll start to see Pro features unlocked in your dashboard. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to upgrade to Splitwise Pro from your account settings in just a few clicks.